Hi team! So, ito yon paano pupunta dun sa Meta Business Suite. So, andito na ako sa business profile. And then you go to your Meta Business Suite. Click Meta Business Suite. And then after that, you go to Insights. And then Insights, go to Content. And then once you're here, click Export Data. So, ito yon. So, pipiliin nyo yung business page. Okay. And then, date range. So, it's up to you if you want it today. But, they recommend, as per training, 90 days. And then, metric presence is published. Data view, lifetime. Content level, post. And then, filter, creation date. And then, you generate. Once it's generated, export is processing. So, published siya. Let's just wait. It takes a while. Be patient. I'm getting there. Okay, let's say this one is done because it takes a while. You go to your ChatGPT and that prompt. Oh, so di pala. And yung prompt na binigay ko, i-paste nyo lang doon. Sana ba yun? Nasa group natin yun. Hold on. Ito yun. Pinin ko to para madali nyo lang makita. So, ito. Copy and paste na lang. And then, Control C, copy. And then you paste here. So, when you paste, or add, upload photos or profile. Ito yon. It says nakalagay doon, it's previous 7 days kasi pinaprompt ko to last week. So, okay. And then when you open, and then just click and click. And so that's it. ChatGPT is working hard for us. Ito yun. So, enjoy and make friends with ChatGPT kasi talagang very honest siya. Sabi niya, where you might be hurting your growth. Dami siya. And then, after that, ayan, may suggestion siya dito. Then, you can just prompt it again. Okay? That was it. And enjoy. Thank you.